Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new $1 trillion industry in Jamaica, and this is limestone. Now, Jamaica possesses a large quantity of limestone, and the quality of the limestone in Jamaica is among the highest in the world. So, as a result, the limestone is in demand, and US companies would buy all the limestone that's available for export in Jamaica. So the market is there already. So for Jamaica to fully capitalize on the limestone industry, they need to set up plants and factories to make end products out of the limestone and then export those products. To export just the limestone, you'll still make some money, but not as much as if you were to make products with the limestone. And probably the most popular product that's made from limestone is cement. So we are going to give you more information on this new industry that's emerging in Jamaica. Jamaica is widely known for its tourism, bauxite, music, and athletics. However, one of the country's greatest untapped resources lies beneath the surface of the island itself, limestone. Covering approximately two-thirds of Jamaica's landmass, limestone is one of the nation's most abundant natural resources and has the potential to become a major driver of economic growth, job creation, and industrial development. For decades, limestone has played a supporting role in Jamaica's economy, supplying the construction, cement, and agricultural sectors. Yet the scale of the resource suggests that it could become much more than that. With growing demand for construction materials, industrial minerals, and environmental products around the world, Jamaica has the opportunity to build a modern limestone industry capable of transforming the economy. One of Jamaica's greatest advantages is the quality of its limestone deposits. Many areas contain high purity limestone suitable for a wide range of industrial uses. These include cement production, steel manufacturing, water treatment, agriculture, pharmaceuticals, glass production, and specialty calcium carbonate products. Such versatility means limestone can support numerous industries rather than a single export market. The United States represents a particularly attractive market. As one of the world's largest consumers of construction and industrial materials, the US requires enormous quantities of limestone and limestone-derived products. Jamaica's geographic location provides a natural advantage, allowing products to be shipped quickly and efficiently to ports along the Gulf Coast and eastern seaboard. This proximity can help Jamaican producers compete effectively in regional markets. The true economic opportunity, however, lies not in exporting raw limestone, but in processing it locally. By producing high value added products such as quicklime, hydrated lime, precipitated calcium carbonate, and specialized industrial materials, Jamaica could earn significantly more from each ton extracted. Processing facilities would create skilled jobs, stimulate investment, and strengthen the country's manufacturing sector. A thriving limestone industry could also support national infrastructure development. Increased local production of construction materials would help meet the demands of Jamaica's expanding housing sector, road building programs, tourism developments, and major infrastructure projects. This would reduce dependence on imports while helping to stabilize construction costs. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.